Okay, good morning. We're starting our Sunday off on the beach. A beautiful sunny day. You excited for a beach day?
Gorgeous day. It's 9 AM, so we're out on the beach early.
Would you like to know the best news of the day? Summer has put this special conditioner in her hair, so it means that she can come in the ocean and play with me today.
No, I just like to time going in the ocean with my hair wash day. Some girls will understand. So it's like if I wash my hair, I don't really want to go in the ocean that day because then I'll have to wash it again.
So today's an ocean day. We've got the GoPro as well, so we're going to go hang out in the waves.
So this is the area that we've sat in. It's like a little cubby hole.
Yeah, we created our little ecosystem home here. We've got walls either side for defence.
So it blocks all the wind.
We've got an elevated view across the beach, ample space.
Lots of space to sit down. So although it's like busy on a Sunday, like you're not sitting like on top of somebody else.
We are in the ocean. Starting the smoke. Let's get out. Hey man. There's someone over there. I know,
My pants fell down! My pants fell down!
Oh, so clear the water. Oh. That was a backslapper. Me and the viewers had to go under that one. You know that incredible backdrop? There's our building. The most beautiful backdrop of the buildings. Stunning clear water.
Limit reach. The view of that, wow.
Do some surfing.
God, there's a big one coming, guys. I'm going under. That was so big. That's so incredible. Oh, there's a big one. Oh my God, let me. It doesn't look big on camera. Over! I went through it. Ready? Honestly, we love the ocean so much. It makes us so happy. It's just the simple things in life, like
Simple things of nature.
it's gonna throw me into the air. Ready? 3. Be careful of my pants coming down.
Yeah. I'm trying to really show the size and get that. Over?
Should we go underwater? Wave the camera. 3, 2, 1.
That was so funny because when we went under, the wave came, so it got a lot deeper. A lot of these shots are just like.
Ready? I'm gonna be a mermaid, so go under.
Okay. Maybe this one?
Yeah. Oh shit. Are you having fun?
Oh, so much fun. You having fun?
Yeah, having so much fun. Watch out!
Catch you guys on the beach.
Excited to look through that GoPro footage. You would have obviously already watched it, but we have no idea if it even came out alright. But
Hopefully us going through the waves, you can still see. Oh, it's so fun though.
so much fun. If you ever want to just have a good day, just go to the beach and just play in the waves. So we're going to drink these now. We got given them a while ago.
Yeah, it's not something that I'd usually choose.
No, we don't really drink fizzy drinks, to be honest, but they've been in our fridge for like 3 months and we just need to drink them. And then I bought an apple. Yay! Ready? Mmm.
And get the ASMR.
Oh look, as well as a lifeguard on the beach.
That is where they tend to usually be.
No, look there in the car. Let me know what it tastes like.
Oh my gosh.
Good?
No.
Oh really?
No, I don't like that sort. It's
Is
like,
it a thing that you mix with an alcohol drink?
think of like tonic water and then make it incredibly sour.
Ugh.
And that's what you're looking at.
Let me try. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
I didn't
horrible.
think you'd like it.
Yeah.
Look.
At least we only opened one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Hi guys. Look, he's just arrived back from. Where have you been, babe?
Just been to get some stuff. So I've got the volleyball and you ready?
Dates and chocolate. Oh my god.
Yes.
Yay.
Little snack.
Dubai has made us love dates so much. Put Biscoff in the dates and then Lindt dark chocolate.
Yeah.
That is the best snack ever. Okay, ready?
Oh, sorry.
The little ladybug friend on my foot. Oh, it just went. We've got lunch.
So it's the same wraps I made yesterday, so I didn't film making it. But they're good. They're like keto style wraps with low carbs.
Yummy.
That's good. Look at this view.
Gorgeous.
Alright, we have finished. How was that?
Delicious.
Cool. We're going to head back down to the beach now for a few hours, have some more fun, and we'll pick this up later. Time to come with me to the supermarket and get some fun bits for Sunday night. Let's go.
Matt is back from the supermarket. Should we do a haul? Yeah. I'm so hungry. Okay, we've got avocados to be healthy. Oh, pizza, pizza, pizza.
So
How
Chica's
about tonight?
pizza, Cole's own margarita pizza.
Yeah.
It's actually so good.
We've got some protein, turkey mince for the week.
We often make Margherita pizza and then put a whole pack of turkey mince on top, so it's a lot higher protein.
I'd rather have half a pizza and a lot more
A
chocolate.
lot more of them.
You got two, you couldn't pick which one, no?
I thought, let's see what we prefer.
Maxi Bonds, if you guys haven't ever had one, please just try one.
It's all about the sandwich bit at the end, that bit.
Tim Tams, because we're half Australian now.
Yeah.
So that's like a cultural
Yeah, we're
snack.
just in with the culture, that's the only reason really.
And then these wraps that our friend Cam has got us addicted to.
Yeah.
High protein, low carb.
3 a.m.
Well done.
Should we get cooking? We will show you when the pizza's ready. Pizza is done, here it is.
Woo!
Very crispy. Let's get out.
We put some chicken on it.
Did you put the extra cheese on?
Yes, I put extra cheese from that.
Cheese, it's all in the
Show
details.
everyone, right?
Yep.
Ignore our rustic pan. That's like,
Yeah, it's rustic.
it's rustic.
It's characteristic.
Right, it's characteristic. Okay, let's.
Get that served. Look at that.
That
Simple things.
is
Like a
homemade.
£2 or $4 pizza.
What?
Some chicken breast and cheese.
Remember, you can spend like £30 on a Domino's.
Pizza. Woo. So, I'll just take my pizza over here, over Summer's head. So, pizza is here. And then we have my all-time favourite show. And what I love so much, amongst other things, about Summer, is that she lets me watch Grand Tour over and over again. How many times would you say that I've seen this episode?
We've watched every episode about 1,000, like at least 4 times. If I'm being
Probably at least
realistic.
4, yeah.
But I actually really like it too. I
Yeah.
like the adventures, the specials that they do. Next up, we have the Tim Tams.
On the other, more peace.
Thank you.
Give us a close up of the, I think, is it Oreo ice cream inside?
Yeah.
Mm-mm-mm.
Pretty good.
Let's go. Cheers.
We're still hungry, so we're moving on to the Maxibon monster cookie. So this is what it looks like, and it's all about this sandwich area here. Just look at that quality.
We love ice cream.
Yeah. All right, let's eat before it melts.
You have a new friend in the apartment. Is that a moth? Matt, can you come and catch the moth, please?
I got a glass. You see his face? It's actually pretty cute.
No, I can't see his face. Oh yeah! You got it? Let's open the door. Okay, oh wait, I'll shut this so he doesn't fly back in. He hasn't just flown back in, has he? Stop! Why did you do that?
It'll be alright. You can just hang out there for a bit. Free rent, and then back out to the ocean.
Okay, so here's our living area. If you want a little nighttime tour, that is the nighttime view. And you can see me. Oh, I can see Matt. Okay, we're a bit weird now. Had a lot of ice cream, haven't we?
Yeah, so should we go walk it off?
Yeah, I think we need to aid our digestion. This down here is the Esplanade, and it's such a nice evening walk.
And this here is a tub. Yeah, let's go for a walk. See you out there. And we're in the lift, heading outside. So it is quite windy.
Yeah, it's windy.
Hopefully you can still hear us okay. We've got the muffler, little muffler doing its duties.
My hat's gonna fly off.
Yeah, still beautiful though, nice big esplanade.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna go for a quick walk, burn these ice creams off. Ice
Let the
creams,
digestion
yeah, it's a plural.
And it's just so nice to come out here.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Lots of people around, we've got some people walking here, hello. And then kind of a quiet esplanade. Look how cool this little spot is that we found. Don't worry, it's not scary. It's all good.
This is cool.
This is very cool. Got the lifeguard hut in the background. Hopefully people watching won't realise that's our building. We haven't walked very far.
Yeah, we haven't walked far yet. Gorgeous. Just get some fresh air.
Sometimes, I know if you're Australian this will be obvious, but sometimes when you're out here you see giant bats.
Yeah, the bats.
And they're actually crazy if you're not used to it.
We saw so
really
many
cool.
when we first got here. We
Yeah.
were like, what?
Huge.
They were big.
We are back from the walk, so we're gonna go to bed now basically, and we'll pick this vlog up tomorrow. Bye guys.
Very tired actually, aren't we?
It's the next morning now, and we're actually gonna wrap this vlog up here because we're about to film a full fitness workout and eating video. So we've had a few requests for that, and we've been looking forward to filming one for a while.
Yeah, so finish this vlog and catch you guys in the next video.